Unless you have your data properly organized, you can't use AI. It becomes utterly useless. It's this enormously powerful tool, and it doesn't have really coherent access to your data, so you can't exploit it. So if you want to take advantage of AI, you have to do two things. You have to really do a good job of organizing your existing data and making it accessible. And then you have to have the appropriate AI tools, whether they're large language models or other sorts of neural networks. So it's really a two-pronged problem. When you say, I really want to use AI, I want to take full advantage of AI, well, you can't do it unless you get your data in order for both training and inferencing.
Since information is changing all the time, you need to aggregate all of it so that it can be organized so that your users can securely gain access to it, as only it relates to each one of them, fresh from the oven at all times. This is what Centralpoint does. Centralpoint by Oxcyon empowers you to take back control over your disparate data. Centralpoint can be installed on-premise or in the cloud and lives in a Microsoft platform running SQL. First, Centralpoint takes on your master data management needs by connecting to your many disparate data sources to index or ingest daily on a scheduled basis. Centralpoint can scan, index, or ingest any systems you have, including your shared network drives and file folders. This means that Centralpoint supports both structured data and unstructured data, like PDF, Word documents, images, videos, and even CAD files. Each record that Centralpoint finds maintains the security rules of those records and can even determine when a record has changed, recording its version history. These scheduled indexes pull your data into Centralpoint, where the information can now be searched from a singular source of truth. But the data is better than it was. This is because of Centralpoint data cleaning rules. These would be your data governance rules, which may enrich your metadata, deduplicate records, fully text index each file, and apply classifications to any record that it never had before. This allows Centralpoint to relate records, which may never have related before. Maybe this is by product ID, client ID, or employee ID. These rules are up to you, but after it runs, it means that you can now find all information easily, and even show all relationships between the different systems it spiders. This would be considered your data lake, where all information can be found, fresh from the oven and in a state which is better than it used to be. Next, we take a look at the syndication of data. This would mean the various views of that data through the many channels in which you market or do business. This might include serving information through the correct department, dealer, franchise, or microsite. This could also mean email alerts sent to certain users when particular records have been detected as having changed. This may also mean dynamically creating documents or reporting against this data lake. Your selections query all of the data and then output it as you need to in the form of a document like a report or summary, or even live charts. Information is changing all the time. Let Centralpoint automate the aggregation of your disparate data, make it smarter and better along the way, and keep all of your many users notified in any way that you need to.